This is Tokyo. Niigata is right here, facing the Sea of Japan. To get here, get on a Joetsu Shinkansen bullet train. 2 hours of blissful view and you're here. No matter when you come, this prefecture has 4 seasons to enjoy. Spring, summer, autumn, and of course, winter. We're popping by during the summer. Niigata is divided into 4 areas: Joetsu, Chuetsu, Kaetsu, and Sado Island. Each has its own unique history, culture, colorful nature, and of course, reasonably priced delicious food. There's plenty to see, do, and taste around here. All you need to do is drive on their expressway. To rent a car, search for Niigata Rent a Car. Find the closest rental company, book online first, and then head there to collect it.
Konnichiwa.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
お疲れします。
So you have to have your passport and your international driving license, of course, if you want to rent a car. She's giving me a form now, which I have to fill out. And the form also covers your basic insurance, so you don't have to worry about that.
はい、ありがとうございます。
Oh, and you must get yourself a Niigata Drive Pass. With it, you can drive through Niigata's toll gates on the expressway as much as you want. It's a one-time flat rate, so it's definitely worth it. Just go online and find out more about this convenient pass.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
お願い
That's
し
it.
ます。
And you're done. Get your passport, your driving license back, and your car keys, and you're good to go.
What about paying for parking, you ask?
Everything's very easy. You just key in the parking number. In my case, it's 23, and pay the amount.
Today, we're leaving Niigata City and driving down south to the Chuetsu region, towards Tokomachi City. The plan is to soak ourselves in art and nature, and spend a night in the forest. Our first stop is Kyotsu Gorge. It'll take about 2 hours from Niigata City, but don't panic, it'll be worth it. On the GPS, you can key in the address, telephone number, or even the neighborhood. On the expressway, remember to look out for 3 important signs. The PA or SA, they are rest stops with convenience stores. The ETC lane, the toll gate that you can use since you bought a Niigata Drive Pass. And your exit, of course, and in our case, it's Shiozawa Ishiuchi. The drive through Tokomachi is so relaxing. I just love it. Once you pass through these tunnels, then you know you're getting close. The Chuetsu region is a mountainous area. In winter, this place is covered in thick blankets of snow. The perfect winter wonderland. It is also home to the famous Japanese rice, Uonoma Koshihikari. It is one of Japan's most delicious rice. But we're here in the summer, the best time to hunt for some Insta-worthy spots. The Ichigo Sumari Atto Triennale is one of the largest festivals that's held once every 3 years. You can discover these clever artworks as you drive along. Like this, For Lots of Lost Windows by Akiko Utsumi. When she visited Ichigo Sumari, she was overwhelmed by its natural surroundings and created an art piece that would blossom without disturbing nature. With the Satoyama wind blowing the curtains, it does give you a sense of peace. But the real reason we're here is to check out the Tunnel of Light. 2 ravenous mountains, a turquoise stream flowing through it. Welcome to Kyotsu Gorge. The Kyotsu Gorge Tunnel is a 750-meter walk, and it has 4 viewpoints to check out. The first one is where you really get to see the geometric columns formed by hardened magma millions of years ago. The second viewpoint is called the invisible bubble. That was weird. The third viewpoint is called the drop. It's like a chamber of glowing molecules suspended in mid-air. And the last one takes the view of Kyotsu Gorge and reflects it on a shallow pool of water. This is the light cave. See this wooden hut outside the tunnel entrance? There's a hot spring foot spa upstairs called the Periscope.
Nice spa after a long walk in the tunnel.
Yeah, it's so warm. Can I have 2 iced coffee, please? Okay. Arigatou gozaimasu. Coffee? Yes, please. I put creamer in yours. Cheers.
But my favorite moment is when we get to sit and just enjoy nature as is.
Are the trees moving? No, it's because you're staring at the waves so long that when you look up, oh my god, it's like that. But that's insane!
Our last stop is Niigata Canyon. This is where we will spend the night in the forest, glamping style. The drive does take about 40 minutes, but once you see pine trees, you know you're almost there. Niigata Canyon is a great place to unwind. You can explore the forest trails, spend hours next to a clear stream, or grab a paddle and enjoy kayaking on a huge lake with a mountainous view as your backdrop. Now this is what I call a holiday. Have you ever made pizza in a forest? Well, we haven't until now. Start by pressing the air out of the dough. Then we shape the dough into a base.
Oh!
ここでグーッと
Wow!
slow and big big ああ通さないで通さないで通さないで
Spread some tomato paste, add cheese and sausages. Finally, you can bake it.
ミドルねミドル
Middle.
It's ready!
はいできました
This is Juanita's pizza,
よいしょ
and this is mine.
It's an oval.
Yes, you got the pizza. You got the pizza. You said, oh, strong woman. Strong. Cooking the food is an entirely new experience. Check this out, right? They have everything pre-packed and ready to go for you. What in the world? All you have to do is just pop it in the boiling water. Mademoiselle, I have your minestrone soup for you. How's the salmon?
It's actually really good salmon.
I told you. Okay.
This is a good end to a day.
Yeah. And it just started drizzling, so it's perfect for us to go to sleep. I love this place. Me too.